It's got this GRF WRX STi A-line in. It's been water damaged. Don't know how wet it got, but the interior is a bit dirty and doesn't take very much for it to get written off. It's probably a fairly tidy car. Couple of factory options on this thing as well. STi optional lower side skirt extensions. STi front lip. Of course, it's got the Brembo brakes, and someone's added coilovers. Some brackets to drop it down. It was pretty clean in here as well. Engine bay's factory, just this aftermarket pod filter. Here's the build tag and the cert tag. Seems to run all good. We'll check everything out, see how it goes.